Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team and it is not AI generated. Here in the video we will share the details for the Battlefield 1 error code 2000. The error reads one of the two messages, whether it reads unable to connect to online services or it reads unable to connect to EA servers. As per the users, when they launch the game, it tries to connect for a few minutes, but then it fails and shows this error. Some players have shared that they started to have this error after an update. Now let's come to fixes for the error. Our first recommendation will be to restart your device and then check if you need to update Battlefield 1. In case the game is updated with its latest version, but the error is still showing, then visit help.ea.com/help/r-e-servers-down. There you can check if EA servers or Battlefield 1 are having any outages. In case servers are up and running, then try connecting over an alternate Wi-Fi or hotspot connection and check if this resolves the issue. If the error still persists over the alternate network, then we suggest you to wait for a few hours and try playing again. Or you can reach out to EA support to report the error. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.